Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming coverage and hardware. First, check that Airtel broadcasts 5G where you are and that your phone lists the necessary NR bands. Without matching bands, you won't connect. Once done, confirm your SIM is 5G capable. Sometimes a swap is needed, and that your plan includes 5G access. Otherwise, request a 5G upgrade from Airtel. Make sure your phone's firmware is current to avoid protocol mismatches, and to get carrier settings that enable 5G. Now you activate and configure the connection. Insert the 5G-ready SIM and reboot the phone so carrier settings load. Then go to Mobile Network Settings and choose the 5G/4G/3G auto mode. This lets the device negotiate the best radio. If you see LTE only selected, change it. Otherwise, you'll lock out 5G. Once selected, verify the network indicator shows 5G or 5G+. If speeds are low, open APN settings and restore Airtel defaults to ensure proper routing and IMS features. Finish by optimizing performance and knowing one key fix. You should test speeds in different rooms and apps to spot coverage holes. 5G often varies indoors. If 5G doesn't appear, reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, then reset network settings. These steps refresh provisioning and often resolve SIM or band binding issues. If that fails, contact Airtel support for SIM reprovisioning or a replacement. Finally, keep firmware updated and position yourself near windows or higher floors to improve 5G reception.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.